For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4gen5.com. This is the 2020 Toyota Rav4 Adventure, and today we're going to upgrade the visor light. This guide is compatible with all trims of the 5th generation Toyota Rav4. If you're curious, this is Toyota part number 81340B. If you're shopping online, you'll want to look for bulb number 7441. You can see the description or visit the website to get the entire bulb set used in this video. Start by inserting the prying tool into the side that is nearest the door. The other side is wired to the center map light and will be difficult to remove from. Once the socket is released from the ceiling, you can pull the bulb out of its socket. Take note that the deflector is held in place by this clip. Install the new bulb by inserting it into the socket. Return the deflector into the ceiling and press against the clip. Test the light by sliding the mirror cover. For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4gen5.com.